Your future is being shaped right now by the choices you make today. Want to start seeing real progress in your life? It all begins with self-improvement. In this video, we are sharing some simple but powerful strategies to help you grow, stay motivated, and achieve your biggest goals. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure how to move forward, this is for you. We'll talk about how to build better habits, develop a success-driven mindset, and create the life you truly want, step by step. So, if you're ready to start leveling up, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment below. What's one area of your life you want to improve right now? Are you tired of the guilt and stress that come with procrastination? What if I told you there's a way to transform that habit into a powerful tool for creativity and productivity? In this bookshot, we'll dive deep into how to turn harmful procrastination into creative procrastination. Let's explore practical strategies to harness your procrastination for good. Discover your procrastination personality. Welcome to the Procrastination Personality Quiz. Answer the 5 following questions to discover how you struggle with procrastination and receive personalized creative tips at the end to help transform it into a powerful force for productivity. 1. When you have a big project due, what do you usually do? A. Dive right in and start working immediately. B. Plan and organize but struggle to get started. C. Wait until the last minute feeling a rush of energy near the deadline. D. Start but get distracted by other tasks or activities. 2. How often do you check your phone or social media while working? A. Rarely, I can stay focused for long periods. B. Occasionally when I need a break. C. Frequently, it's hard to resist. D. Constantly, I can't help but get distracted. 3. How do you feel when you're procrastinating? A. Guilty and stressed. B. Indifferent, I know I'll get it done eventually. C. Excited, I thrive under pressure. D. Frustrated and overwhelmed. 4. What's your go-to activity when you're procrastinating? A. Cleaning or organizing. B. Watching TV or browsing the internet. C. Working on other projects or hobbies. D. Sleeping or doing nothing. 5. How do you usually finish tasks? A. Well before the deadline with time to review. B. Just in time after some last-minute effort. C. At the last possible moment, often pulling all-nighters. D. Sometimes late or with a lot of stress. Thank you for taking the quiz. Understanding your procrastination personality is the first step toward turning procrastination into a productive and creative force in your life. Listen till the end of the bookshot to find personalized tips to embrace your unique work style and unlock your full potential. Understanding procrastination. Procrastination is often viewed as a destructive force that holds us back from reaching our full potential. The missed deadlines, last-minute panics, and the ever-present sense of guilt can be overwhelming. However, not all procrastination is created equal. The dual nature of procrastination. Psychologists differentiate between active and passive procrastination. Passive procrastinators delay tasks due to indecision and lack of motivation, leading to negative consequences. Active procrastinators, however, intentionally delay tasks, using the pressure of an approaching deadline to boost their productivity and creativity. Leonardo da Vinci, one of history's greatest polymaths, was notorious for his procrastination. He left many of his works unfinished and took years to complete projects. Yet, his procrastination allowed him to explore new ideas and techniques, ultimately contributing to his legendary status. This historical anecdote serves as a reminder that procrastination isn't inherently bad. It's how we manage and utilize it that makes the difference. Reducing digital distractions. In our hyper-connected world, digital distractions have become a pervasive source of harmful procrastination, significantly impacting our productivity and mental well-being. Smartphones, social media platforms, and constant notifications vie for our attention, pulling us away from meaningful tasks and creating a fragmented work environment. This digital noise not only interrupts our workflow, but also induces a state of perpetual partial attention, where we are constantly shifting focus rather than diving deep into our work. Studies show that it can take up to 23 minutes to refocus after a distraction, leading to a substantial loss of productive time throughout the day. As we become increasingly tethered to our devices, the ability to engage in deep, focused work diminishes, fostering a cycle of procrastination driven by the lure of instant gratification. Understanding and mitigating these digital distractions is crucial for reclaiming our time, enhancing our focus, and ultimately transforming harmful procrastination into a tool for creativity and innovation. Cal Newport's digital minimalism provides a framework for reducing digital distractions, which are often a major source of harmful procrastination. By minimizing the time spent on non-essential digital activities, we can create space for more meaningful and productive work. The digital declutter. Newport suggests a 30-day digital declutter, where you take a break from optional technologies and reintroduce only those that add significant value to your life. This practice helps you regain control over your attention and reduce the impulse to procrastinate on social media or other digital distractions, creating a focused environment. One of Newport's key takeaways is the importance of creating a focused work environment. By eliminating digital distractions, you can engage more deeply with your tasks, turning potential procrastination periods into moments of reflection and creativity. Consider Sandra, a co-founder of an IT startup, who found herself constantly distracted by emails and social media notifications. After reading Digital Minimalism, she implemented a digital declutter, drastically reducing her screen time. The result? Sandra reported feeling more focused and creative, using her newfound free time to brainstorm innovative business strategies. Here's what she says.
Like many of you, I used to struggle with the nagging guilt and anxiety that comes with putting things off. Procrastination was my constant companion, especially in the digital age where distractions are just a click away. My turning point came when I decided to take a closer look at my digital habits and priorities. I realized that my constant checking of emails and social media wasn't just wasting time. It was fragmenting my attention and killing my productivity. So I embarked on a 30-day digital detox. I eliminated non-essential digital activities and reevaluated the role technology played in my life. During this detox, I discovered something remarkable. The space and silence I created allowed my mind to wander in ways it hadn't in years. Instead of scrolling through social media during my breaks, I started taking walks, jotting down random thoughts and just letting my mind drift. This period of mind wandering, which I once feared as wasted time, became a fertile ground for creativity. The projects that once felt overwhelming became manageable, and the ideas that once seemed elusive flowed freely. I believe that turning procrastination into a creative force is about more than just managing time better. It's about creating an environment where your mind can wander productively, prioritizing what truly matters, and embracing the natural ebb and flow of your work process. I encourage all of you to look at your own procrastination not as a flaw, but as an opportunity for innovation.
Sandra's story illustrates how reducing digital noise can transform procrastination into productive contemplation, focusing on what truly matters. Greg McKeown's Essentialism teaches us the disciplined pursuit of less but better. By identifying and focusing on what is truly essential, we can eliminate the noise and make more significant contributions in our personal and professional lives. The Essentialist Mindset. An Essentialist mindset involves discerning the vital few from the trivial many. McKeown emphasizes the importance of saying no to non-essential tasks, which frees up time and mental energy for more meaningful pursuits. Time blocking for creative procrastination. Time blocking, a technique endorsed by McKeown, can be particularly effective in managing procrastination. By scheduling dedicated blocks of time for specific tasks, you create a structured environment that allows for both focused work and intentional breaks. These breaks can be periods of creative procrastination, where you let your mind wander and explore new ideas. The Creative Pause, Margaret's story. Margaret was a talented graphic designer known for her meticulous attention to detail and creative flair. However, like many in her field, she often found herself battling procrastination. Her latest project, designing a new brand identity for a major client, seemed to be her greatest challenge yet. The deadline loomed closer, but she just couldn't bring herself to start. Instead, she found herself scrolling through social media, reorganizing her desk, and even baking cookies. Anything but facing the blank screen of her design software. One afternoon, feeling particularly frustrated with her lack of progress, Margaret decided to step away from her desk and take a walk in the nearby park. As she strolled among the trees, her mind began to wander. She observed the intricate patterns of leaves, the play of light and shadow, and the vibrant colors of flowers in bloom. Without realizing it, she started to draw mental parallels between these natural elements and her design project. Suddenly, an idea struck her. What if she incorporated organic shapes and natural color palettes into the brand identity? Excited by this new direction, she hurried back to her studio and began sketching out her ideas. The flowing lines and earthy tones felt fresh and dynamic, a perfect fit for the client's vision. Margaret's walk in the park, initially a product of procrastination, had become a fertile ground for creative problem-solving. Her newfound inspiration led to a series of innovative designs that not only met the client's expectations, but exceeded them. The client was thrilled with the unique, nature-inspired branding, and Margaret received accolades for her creativity and originality. Reflecting on the experience, Margaret realized that her periods of procrastination were not wasted time. Instead, they provided essential breaks that allowed her mind to reset and approach problems from a new perspective. By embracing these moments and giving herself the freedom to step away, she unlocked a wellspring of creativity that transformed her work and reaffirmed her passion for design. Turning procrastination into a creative force. Now that we've explored the theoretical underpinnings and practical applications from digital minimalism and essentialism, let's dive into specific strategies to turn procrastination into a creative force. Strategy 1. Embrace mind wandering. Research shows that mind wandering can enhance creativity. When you catch yourself procrastinating, instead of feeling guilty, embrace it as an opportunity for your mind to wander. Allow yourself to daydream and think about unrelated topics. This mental break can lead to unexpected insights and innovative ideas. Strategy 2. Structured procrastination. Structured procrastination involves working on lower priority tasks as a way to avoid higher priority ones. While it may sound counterintuitive, this approach keeps you productive and can lead to creative breakthroughs as you shift your focus between different types of tasks. Strategy 3. Set micro deadlines. Breaking down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks with micro deadlines can mitigate the overwhelming feeling that often leads to procrastination. These smaller deadlines create a sense of urgency without the stress of a looming major deadline, allowing you to make steady progress and maintain your creative momentum. Consider Joyce, a novelist who often struggled with procrastination. She started setting micro deadlines for her writing, breaking her book into chapters and scenes. This approach transformed her procrastination periods into creative brainstorming sessions, where she developed rich backstories and plot twists. Joyce's novel, once stalled by procrastination, blossomed into a bestseller thanks to her new strategy. Practical tools to combat harmful procrastination. Tool 1. The Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique involves working in focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. This method can help manage procrastination by creating a sense of urgency and providing regular opportunities for rest and reflection. Tool 2. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual tool that helps organize thoughts and ideas. When procrastination strikes, use a mind map to explore different aspects of your project. This technique can stimulate creative thinking and provide clarity on the next steps. Tool 3. Accountability partners. Having an accountability partner can significantly reduce harmful procrastination. Share your goals and progress with a trusted friend or colleague who can provide encouragement and hold you accountable for meeting your deadlines. Your procrastination personality results. Mostly A's, the hyper-productive hummingbird. You're incredibly focused and often finish tasks ahead of time. Your precision and efficiency are admirable, but be cautious of burnout. To stay creative, schedule intentional daydreaming breaks where you allow your mind to wander freely. This will help refresh your creativity and avoid the pitfalls of overworking. Tip: dedicate 10 minutes a day to an idea journal where you jot down random thoughts and ideas. These moments of free thinking can lead to unexpected innovations in your projects. Mostly B's, the perfectionist planner. You're great at organizing but often find yourself stuck at the starting line. Your desire for everything to be perfect can sometimes hold you back. Embrace imperfection and start with small steps to build momentum. Tip: try the 5-minute rule. Commit to working on a task for just 5 minutes. Often, this small start is enough to overcome the inertia and keep you going. Mostly C's, the thrill seeker. You love the adrenaline rush of a looming deadline and work best under pressure. While this can lead to bursts of productivity, it can also cause unnecessary stress. Harness your thrill-seeking nature by creating mini deadlines and turning your tasks into a game. Tip: use a timer to challenge yourself. Set it for 25 minutes and see how much you can accomplish in that time. Turn it into a friendly competition with yourself to beat your previous records. Mostly D's, the chaotic creative. You're easily distracted but have a mind full of brilliant ideas. Your challenge is to channel that creative energy into focused productivity. Create a flexible but structured routine that allows for spontaneity without losing sight of your goals. Tip: use mind maps to organize your thoughts. This visual tool can help you see the connections between your ideas and prioritize tasks more effectively. Additionally, try theme days, where you focus on a specific type of task or project, giving your creativity a structured outlet. Conclusion: procrastination doesn't have to be a detrimental force in your life. By understanding its dual nature and applying the principles from digital minimalism and essentialism, you can transform harmful procrastination into a powerful tool for creativity and productivity. Embrace mind-wandering, structured procrastination and set micro-deadlines to harness your procrastination potential. Use practical tools like the Pomodoro technique, mind mapping, and accountability partners to stay on track and foster creativity. Remember, procrastination is not your enemy. With the right mindset and strategies, it can be a catalyst for innovation and personal growth. Turn those moments of delay into opportunities for discovery and watch as your productivity and creativity soar. So the next time you find yourself procrastinating, don't despair. Instead, take a deep breath, allow your mind to wander, and let the creative sparks fly. You have the power to turn procrastination into a superpower. Use it wisely. We just went through some of the most effective ways to grow and improve. Which one are you going to focus on first? Tell us in the comments. And hey, if you found this useful, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and share this with someone who's ready to grow too. If you want more self-improvement tips, mindset hacks, and motivation, join our community. Link in the description. See you in the next video. Your growth starts now.